In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting or domain to Shopify. By the end, your custom domain will point to your Shopify store and you'll understand exactly what each setting does so you can avoid common pitfalls. Start in your Shopify admin. Sign in and look for the settings option, usually at the bottom left of the dashboard. Open settings, then go to domains. Choose connect existing domain. Type your domain exactly as you own it at Hostinger, like example.com, and continue. Shopify will display the records it expects. Keep this tab open. You'll refer back to it in a moment. Now switch to Hostinger, log into your hosting dashboard, and open the domain section. Find the domain you want to connect, then open the DNS zone editor. This is where all the mapping for your domain lives. Don't worry, we're only touching the records that control where your website points. You'll update two key records. First, the A record for the root, often shown as the host at edit that A record to point to Shopify's IP address, 23.227.38.65. If you see multiple A records for at, keep only the one that points to Shopify to avoid conflicts. If there's an A record for at, you can remove it so the root doesn't try to resolve over IPv6 to somewhere else. If you see a TTL field, the default value is fine. Next, set the CNAME for the www.host2shops.myshopify.com. This tells www.yourdomain.com to follow Shopify. If there's already a CNAME for www pointing somewhere else, replace it. Don't change MX records. Those control email delivery. If you use email with this domain, leave any MX, SPF, or DKIM records alone so your mail keeps working. When your A and C name look correct, click Save in the DNS editor, head back to your Shopify domains page. If you see a Verify or Check Connection button, click it. DNS changes can take time to propagate, often 15 minutes to a few hours, and in some cases up to 48 hours. That's normal. You'll know it's done when Shopify marks the domain as connected and automatically provisions SSL, which may add a little extra time. Once connected, visiting your domain should load your Shopify storefront. If it doesn't right away, give it a bit more time and refresh. A quick tip, make sure your domain registration is active and not expired, and avoid duplicate A records for the root. That's it. You've connected your hosting or domain to Shopify with the exact DNS settings Shopify expects and without disrupting your email.